Hey guys, it's game time, and I am about to open box number 2 of 2018 Chronicles Baseball. I love Chronicles. I loved 2017, and I think I'm going to dig 2018 just as much, if not more, honestly, because the base card design is even better, and there's even a better mix of different brands in here. My first box, you can see that video has already been posted, and I have 3 more that I'm going to open this week. But this is number 2 of 5 then, and there's not as many packs. There's only 6 packs this time. I'm trying to remember, 2017 had, I want to say 8 or 12, but it was definitely, this is definitely fewer packs for sure, but they did not reduce the number of hits. You still get 3 autos. Well, it's actually even better. I think last time you were just guaranteed 4 hits, and you didn't always get 3 autos and 1 mem. A lot of times it was like 2 and 2, so this is actually better in that regard. Yeah, I'm all about some Chronicles, so that's why I went ahead and ordered more boxes. Lots of good rookies in here. Just a lot of fun to open. There's so much different stuff to see. It's kind of like going to a carnival or just looking around. There's just all kinds of stuff in here. So let's get into it. Aaron Judge. This is the base card design, which looks infinitely better than last year's. It's not nearly as busy. A J.P. Crawford rookie numbered out of 25. This is the base parallel. I don't know if I'm going to call that red or pink. The next card, I'm going to set these down, is a Cespedes Classics. Oh, sweet, an Aaron Judge Crusade. A little bit of dirt. Oh, that wipes right off. This is a nice chrome Crusade card. This is the base Crusade. A Chris Bryant Phoenix. Then we have a Reese Hoskins that's numbered out of 99, Cornerstones baseball jersey. Sweet, reserve materials. So that is my jersey card, a very good rookie jersey card. And again, that is numbered out of 99. Player worn material. And then we have Victor Robles, studio rookie. And a Gleyber Torres Illusions rookie. So 2 very nice cards there. That's pack 1. Yeah, there's so much stuff in here, it makes you really like slow down and take your time, where with any other type of card, you just kind of, you know what the base cards look like and you just kind of fly through there. With this, you want to kind of slow your roll and check it out better. Alright, a Harrison Bader base card. Austin Hayes rookie press proof score to 299. Here's an Ohtani prestige rookie. I did not get an Ohtani out of box 1. So this is my first out of this. A Corey Seager prism. The base prism. Here's a Stanton numbered out of 149, and it is, I guess, a blue or black prism, Phoenix parallel. Good looking card there. Yeah, I love these parallels. Christian Walker autograph, Phoenix autograph. So it's the first auto. It is not numbered. But nonetheless, a good looking card. Then we have an Acuna studio rookie and Victor Caratini status rookie. Alright, next pack. Another good pack. Got 2 of the 4 hits. Alright, we have an Arenado score version. Gleyber Torres Chronicles base rookie card. Correa Prestige. An Ozzie Albies Prism rookie, very nice. An Ahmed Rosario to $2.99, and it is a Phoenix parallel again. Looks like a teal. Good looking card there. Tyler Mail Spectrum rookie. These are thick stock. And this is the Prism version. An Eric Fetty status rookie, and an Ichiro Illusions card. Alright, we're starting off this pack with a Rhys Hoskins Score rookie, Francisco Donruss rated rookie, Ozzie Albies limited rookie, very nice. Here is a Gary Sanchez Prism parallel to $1.99. Looks to be, I guess, orange. Chris Bryant Select. Looks like we have a Zach Granite Prism autograph. So it's 2 chrome autographs. A Guzman Select rookie and a Stanton Illusions. So that's 2 or 3 Stanton cards and 2 Chris Bryant's. Alright, last 2 packs. Should have one more hit. The autographs have not been all that great thus far. Hopefully we can get one that's a little bit better. Alright, here's a Score Devers rookie. We have an Acuna Chronicles rookie. Rosario Rookies and Stars. Alex Verdugo Crusade rookie. Dominic Smith Phoenix rookie. And our autograph is Brian Anderson, another Phoenix rookie. Definitely not, the autographs in this have not been as good as box 1 for sure. But nonetheless, I'm still digging this stuff. We have an Albies Illusions rookie. And an Austin Hayes Illusions rookie. And our last pack. Alright, Beltry base. Here's a Rosario Prestige rookie parallel to $1.99. JP Crawford Classics rookie. Here's a nice Robles Prism parallel rookie. It's a good looking card there. And another Robles Select rookie. Another good looking card. Zach Granite to 99. This is a Spectra Neon Blue parallel. Another thick stock card there. JP Crawford Studio rookie. And we finish it up with a Devers Illusions rookie. So we're going to go over the hits one more time. It was Brian Anderson Phoenix, a Zach Granite Prism, Christian Walker Phoenix, and the Rhys Hoskins Reserve Material, what was this, Cornerstones baseball jersey. Box 1 was better than this, but like I said, I've got 3 more on the way, and we'll see what those deliver. I'm still like really digging this stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to have an announcement before the end of the week. I'm actually going to be on vacation next week, and that's going to impact the store, but I have plans for the channel for during vacation, so we'll talk about that later on. Again, thanks for watching. Everybody take care and hope you're having a great Monday.